How to edit your bio on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your bio on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now after you click on it you will see your profile here. Click this one, see your profile, and now you will find this one, edit profile. Click on it and then just go to bio and then click edit and click edit bio, and then just change it to anything you want and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and then see you in the next video.